Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make avocado nachos. First, gather all your fresh ingredients like ripe avocados, your preferred tortilla chips, and any other toppings you love. Make sure everything is ready to go. Then, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and line a baking sheet with parchment paper for easy cleanup. This simple preparation sets the stage for delicious nachos. Next, let's prepare the star of the show, the avocado. Scoop out the flesh of 2 ripe avocados into a bowl, mash them with a fork, and stir in a squeeze of fresh lime juice and a pinch of salt. For your toppings, finely dice 1 small red onion, 1 jalapeno, and about 1 cup of cherry tomatoes. Don't forget to shred 1 cup of Monterey Jack cheese and 1/2 cup of cheddar cheese for that perfect melt. Now for the fun part, assembly. Begin by arranging a single, even layer of tortilla chips across your prepared baking sheet. This ensures every chip gets some love. Next, evenly spread your freshly mashed avocado over the chips, followed by your diced red onion, jalapeno, and cherry tomatoes. Finally, sprinkle the shredded Monterey Jack and cheddar cheese generously over the entire dish, making sure to cover all the delicious layers. Bake your nachos in the preheated oven for about 5 to 10 minutes, or until the cheese is perfectly melted and bubbly. Once out of the oven, garnish your hot, cheesy nachos with a sprinkle of fresh cilantro and a dollop of cool sour cream. Serve them immediately while they're warm and gooey for the best experience. And hey, if you're looking for a great read, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, plus other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.